Our project is dShare, distributed sharing for medical records or other files that should be shared encryptedly and securely. We have used Nucypher in our project. As we have used the example code from Nucypher, which uses policies and records to keep track of the security. Here we can see all the objects encrypted the policy users, which means which users are using using this policy, the records, and we have profiles that will tell us whether a user is a user or a insurance company. Here user can submit data and insurance company can see the data only if the user granted permission to the insurance company. Here we can in admin panel we can add user and change their information. We can only add user through this admin panel, and moreover we can change their type. Here zero account type means he is a user, and one account type means he is an insurance company. If we just go to the main website, we can see that here all the policies will be shown. We can add new policy, we can add record, we can view record. Moreover, we have written code for adding user, adding receiver. To a record. Here we can add a receiver to a record. We have written its user panel, and we have a panel for insurance company. He can view his records and all the policies he's been shared with. But we cannot complete the project because Nucypher has a lack of functionality of serializing and deserializing object. So when we create a user, we cannot save it for using in future. So it's our main problem here. We have written all the code for fully, but we cannot use it now because of that serializing and deserializing functionality. If we can plug in the functionality, our code will work as promised. As a user will first create the policy, then he can add users, other insurance company users to the policy, and he then grant the users permissions for that policy. And if we add a record to a policy, all the users will be automatically granted for that record, and they can view the record in their admin panel, in their main panel. That's our project. As we have talked with the Nucypher team, they have told us to use local API for serializing and for encrypting files, because keeping files in the keeping encryption keys in the central server is not secured, and it can be vulnerable. So we have started to write local host API, and we will complete in the future. That's our project. Thank you.